Okay, I'm back. I had to make a few adjustments here and try to figure out some things before I came back on. But now I'm using my drive amp, and I've got it set on the tube setting as far as the preamp or something there. And I've got Chorus Ensemble, which is using my CE5, and I got this pedal for quite a while, but it's one of my newer pedals I got recently. And so I hope you'll enjoy this next song. I'm still plugged into my Boss ME50. Okay, so I hope you like this one. Just realized I forgot I'm using my G2 zoom pedal. You probably can't see it in the camera, but I'll just pop it up here so you can see what I'm using here. It's on the keyboard there. It's the small little gizmo there. Just zoom in a little bit. It's that little keyboard on the top, or excuse me, not keyboard, but a little black square thing with the numbers. You probably can't see the numbers, but it's a little black square thing I'm using, and that gives you the idea of what I'm using for my drums. So I'll just kind of show you what I got here, and I'm back to just showing you my effects, so hang on. So I hope that gives you an idea what I got with my equipment now. And I'm actually, with the amps that I'm using is a Yorkville Stage G90. You probably can see it just barely in my camera there. It's the big It's the big amp on the right, and I got the volumes and tones all set. I got the gain really high, maybe set up to 7. The bass is up to 7, and the treble, is up to 7, and the volume itself is probably set on 3 or 4 anyway. And I'm using this Calphone 28485C stereo dual cassette deck, and it's actually being used for my drum machines that I'm using. The keyboard itself, I didn't use the amp for that because I'm already plugged in with my other 2 drum midis that are plugged into this type of machine, or at least this type of amp, or deck. Anyways, it calls itself, but I'm using it as an amp, and of course the Johnson amp I'm using for my mics. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and maybe we'll be back again soon with some other shots of demonstrations, but we'll have to see where it goes from there. Okay, thanks again. Take care now.